Hello everyone, hope all are doing fine. And today's session is going to be a very important session, and we're going to talk about the self-assessment tax. I'm very sure that when you hear this word tax, you'll be very much irritated as you guys have been contributing more amount of tax from your salary. I completely agree on it. No one can help us. Let's come back to self-assessment tax. This tax is mainly applicable for the people who are getting the income apart from salary. You can be a business people, or if you are buying and selling the stocks, cryptocurrency, and getting any profit. A profit in a sense, it could be a low profit, 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000. You are supposed to pay the taxes. Let's take a different case, or you would have sold your mutual fund investment and received any profit for the financial year April 21 to March 22, and you are bound to pay the taxes. One important thing to note, before filing the income tax return, I mean ITR 2 or 3, whichever is applicable for you, you must pay the self-assessment tax. So kindly watch the video till the end. Let's move on to next slide. There is some self-assessment tax calculation formula available. I'm not a finance guy, so kindly reach out to your auditor to calculate the tax. You must need to understand one thing. If you are not filing the income tax return on time, we are supposed to pay the interest as per the section 234A. And again, if you are not paying any advance taxes also, we are supposed to pay that interest under the section 234B or 234C. And advance tax is a different topic. I'll try to post a different video on that. Now let's learn how to pay self-assessment tax online. egov-nsdl.com. In this, you'll have to select channel number ITNS 280. See, for paying the advance tax, self-assessment tax, or tax on regular assessment, surtax or tax on distributed profit of domestic company, and tax on distributed income to unit holders, you'll have to select ITNS 280 chala number. Click on proceed. You'll be taken to this page where you'll be seeing two options, corporation tax and income tax. You'll have to select income tax, and under the type of payment you'll have to select self-assessment tax, and the mode of payment would be anything. As I selected net banking, click on proceed. You'll be taken to this page where you'll be entering the permanent account number, assessment year, and enter all the address details, email ID, mobile number, and enter the captcha. Click on proceed. You'll be taken to the confirmation page and cross check all this. For security reason, I just masked my permanent account number and my full name. And the assessment year would be 2022 to 23, since the financial year is 2021 to 22. Please keep that in mind. Okay, sometimes we might do some mistakes, so that is why I'm highlighting this. And click on proceed. You'll be taken to this final confirmation page, and where you'll be submitting this to the bank. That's it. And you'll have to enter your login ID and password. Click on proceed. You'll be cross-checking the personal details, transaction details, everything. Okay, and then you'll be taken to this transaction details here. See, chala number 280, assessment year, and the income tax, self-assessment tax. Under the payment details, you'll have to enter your tax amount. If you're paying 5,000 or 10,000 or 50,000, whatever it is, this amount is being entered here, and the total amount gets pre-populated here. And click on submit. It will take you to this page where you'll have to confirm everything, 280, assessment year, and the income tax, self-assessment tax type, everything. That's it. When you're done, you'll be taken to the NetSecure code page where you'll be entering your one-time password. Enter the password and click on submit. That's it. You're done with the payment. Kindly save the PDF and make a note of it. That will be used for future reference. So that's about the self-assessment tax payment. Last date for filing the income tax return is 31st July. I'm not really sure this date would get extended. To avoid any tax penalties, you need to file the ITR on time. One last thing, as part of this video, I wanted to educate my subscribers to safeguard themselves from paying any additional interest or penalties. Please keep that in mind. Thanks for watching the video and share this video to your friends and family to create the awareness. Thanks again. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.